Yo, what's up guys? It's BIRD TaH PiE, and today I'm going to be doing some Angry Birds classic on some cowboy season or something. So yeah, today I'm filming with my brand new program. I'm filming with Fraps. Last video I was filming was with I don't know how is it called already, but it is some weird program for filming. So yeah, that's what it is. That's how I film. That's how I film, bro. Yeah. So yeah, as you see, I'm playing on Angry Birds Classic. Angry Birds Classic. And yeah, I'm beating the levels. Kinda. Holy shit. I'm not liking this level. I'm not liking it. Holy shit. Whoa. I'm good at this crap. I'm good at... That was a miss. Totaliously miss. So yeah, all I wanted to say was I'm happy for you. I'm happy because you're watching some of my videos. So yeah, that's all what I want to say. Actually, this video has nothing with my words I'm gonna say. I'm just doing some random Angry Birds gameplay. I was watching Hazard 887 videos and it's pretty awesome. So yeah, so that's how I came up with the idea. I watched his dev defeat source stuff, and it's cool. So yeah, that's what it was. So yes, it's BIRD TaH PiE, and that's all I wanted to say. By BIRD TaH PiE. I keep saying BIRD TaH PiE, cause that's my name. BIRD TaH PiE. Just joking. You don't know my true name and you will never know it. Just kidding. My real name is Andre. So yes. And thanks for watching on this small video. And please subscribe. BIRD TaH PiE. Peace. Peace.